Hi my beautiful followers. So today I'll be demonstrating you how to create a beautiful lips, fake lips. Actually I have a little bit fillers on my lips, but I always like to kind of get more fuller lips, more dramatic lips, so stay tuned. So the first thing I am taking is just a regular toothbrush and I just exfoliate. It's a little bit wet, so I just rub with the circular motions. So it will help you to get more smooth lips. After, when you're done, your lips will get fuller right away. And I go under. And now I have to connect to here, but the thing is that we don't want to go and make it droopy. We want this corner to go more up, so we need to lift it. You see, this is my natural, but I go like this. The bottom one, we need the same angle. And for the cupid's bow, I really like when it's more around. So I really do this where I really have those lines, like the wrinkles, natural wrinkles. I don't do like the fake. So now I take concealer and I will highlight these areas. Now I take this Burberry lipstick in color 5, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tap all over my lips. Take this Laura Mercier pencil in color Plumberry. And I will just, now I will blend this liner here. Now with this concealer brush and with the concealer, I will sharp the edges. Again, make sure to bring those up. If you don't want your liner to leak, you just need to bake on the side of your lips with a beauty blender and translucent powder. I take my favorite highlight, Charlotte Tilbury. So I do, I'm going to here. And next is your highlighter, and I take this color right here. Also what I like to apply my chin. So this is what I like to do with my lips, and if you want to go lighter you can use any nude colors that you guys like, but I like to do more natural colors, more skinny colors that are dusty rosish tones, I would say. And so if you want, you can apply the dose of colors, truffle, which is again very beautiful color. It's really matte, so I'll be doing just a little bit right here on the corners. I mean, you guys can still see the lines that I created. Sometimes when we draw the lines, people say that, why do you guys do that? Because you never see the lines, but you guys can see the lines a very tiny bit, so that's what I want to do. And next is my favorite lip balm from Dior. Just a tiny bit only on the center of my lips.